Good morning. It's 6:42 a.m. right now. I've been up since like an hour. I just got all my stuff in the book bag because I fell asleep last night. Oh, yeah, I'm tired, and it's been snowing all night. So, and it's not gonna stop snowing at all today. So, I'm about to go pick up my boy Mirza right now. He called me just now. He said he was afraid I fell asleep. So, catch you guys when I'm at Mirza's house. Oh my god, you got Aldi bag? Morning, sweetheart.
I think we're the only two retards who's down for sure.
Oh my god, dude. I think you might be right.
Bullshit.
I don't know why we're doing this. It's snowing so bad.
It's okay, buddy.
Anyways, we're about to go to Starbucks right now. Get some coffees. I'll see you guys there. Oh, you want something to drink, bro?
Take a small coffee.
You want like macchiato, cappuccino?
Just regular coffee, 6 and 6 if they have. Regular 6 and 6.
A large coffee 6 and 6, and then a Betsy hot caramel macchiato.
Yeah, please.
Anything else?
My wallet's on the other side. Shit. You can use your wallet or even like a big can of Red Bull, put it in between here, and it pumps gas for you. Oh yeah. All right, we got about an hour and 10 minutes of driving, so let's go. We're about to go to the shop first over there because we got to get some weights, and then we got to get the.
We gotta get some liners, some weights, some hooks, some pussy. Nah. Bitch, you know you wanna laugh.
All right, we'll see you guys there. We're about like 50 minutes away, but we'll see how that goes because there's a lot of snow and some of these roads are bad. On the way here, we actually saw what, 2 cars, right? 2 cars that were in the ditch. Yeah. We just stopped by one of the outfitters here. It's cool, Salmon River Outfitters. It's like a shop here, and he's like a guide apparently. I don't know, but he hooked us up. He kind of showed us different weight setups. Got these beads, and I got these worms.
Got some of these flies.
And we got some flies. Yeah.
Sack.
Was he yelling at us? Oh, he's yelling. No, he's cool as fuck. What size are they? Are they all different?
Oh
my god, why does the blue feel fucking wet?
Yeah.
Oh shit. They feel wet, but they're not.
That's how mine are. Yeah.
Mirza is a maniac. I would say it's a good half a foot of snow on here. Yeah, this water is deep. See, they're gonna go in the water, but I'm not. I don't have waders. Anything?
Too much ice.
Yeah.
Come again?
Hell no! I'm about to cast from here, bro. I'm not coming in. I'm gonna cast from right here. It is way too ice in that river. We had to leave.
Go to a different location.
Yeah, we're gonna have to drive back somewhere else because it's just way too shallow. It's snowing a lot. There's a lot of like big ice pieces forming, and it's like our hooks and everything is like laying on top of the, like hitting the ice, and it's just fucking up our lines. We just got to the new spot. I might have, or might have not, drifted around this parking lot. The river's right down there. You can probably hear it.
Right there.
Yeah, if you cast right over here, that'd be nice.
This is all right here. This is like, see how the thing goes down in the deep? That's where
Let's go. Let's do it. It is super, super cold. Let's go. I'm getting cold. I want to catch a fish. You don't have gloves?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh man. It's like steep. I'll follow you, buddy. Let's go. Let's go, man. Official. If we do all this work, oh hell no, that's steep, bro. Bro, ain't no way. Ain't no way you just did that.
Yeah, why?
You can do it, my friend. You can do it. And jump head first.
Dive? Should I dive?
Nah. Yeah, don't grab that.
Oh my god. My line just broke at the swivel and I had no bites. I just got snagged under a rock or something, so Mears is over there still trying to catch something. I don't know. We moved locations from over there and there's no bites. He's about to test it out right here. We're gonna move if he doesn't get any bites in a few casts. My feet are freezing. I don't know why we came today, but it's alright. It's all in good fun. I'm gonna leave my rod here. I'm not using it. I'm not gonna bother recasting here. Ugh. Wow, look at that ice flow right there. That's crazy. It's 11:30 right now. Not a single bite. Oh man, I'm getting hungry, bro.
We look like we ain't catching no fish. But yeah,
we still have caught a big fat 0. No fish. We're about to leave with no fish at this rate. I did get a sub though. I got a sub. He didn't want to eat. He's waiting for that big fish all day.
sub. Oh, I think.
I really hope we catch a fish right now. By the river right now. There's 3 people I see so far. 4 people. Real dedication if you're coming out in this weather. Oh, this is calm water, bro. I like this. Super calm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because all the other ones are super shallow and I kept getting snagged on rocks, everything, you name it. Let's go past those other guys. How we doing? Good. Anything?
No, not yet today.
Same. Alright, got my spot. Alright, I'm about to cast up there and then work my way down. Hopefully I catch something, because I'm getting really demotivated right now.
Thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it.
No worries. At least you're catching something.
This is the first one of the day, guys.
Oh man. You been here since the morning?
I got here, yeah, a little bit before the noon time.
Oh, okay. We've been out here early.
Oh, really?
Nothing. I didn't even have a bite today at all.
No shit.
Yeah.
Got that lock.
Oh, oh man. That's a good size too. Oh yeah, he's nice.
I hate being a that guy sometimes.
No, I know, it's so pressure. Hold on, I'll get him up. Hold on.
Yeah. It's just we're going to.
He's right here. Nice. Hell yeah.
Nice net job, man. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that.
Oh, he's good. He's nice.
Yeah, I caught one.
I don't want to lose him though. Oh my god.
First fish of the season, boy. 2024, baby.
But this whole time I was fighting him, bro. I'm telling you.
Recording. What the? Oh yeah, you is. He's right there.
Yeah,
Slowly. Bring him over here. Lock this. No, don't do that. You're gonna break your pole like that. You're just gonna snap your whole line.
No,
bro.
he's right here.
Leave him right here.
Come on, baby. Oh, he's right here.
He's right there, yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Come on. He's tired now.
Oh damn, you. Keep churning.
Come on, buddy. Oh, I lost him, bro. Oh my god, bro. I just lost that fish, bro. I can't believe it.
Size.
It was a steelhead, yeah. but it was a nice little size, maybe like 18, 19 inches. Nothing crazy, but that was the first fish of the day, bro. And,
Yeah.
I mean, I lost it, but.
First fish of the season for this guy. 2020.
Apparently we can't, it's a fly fishing zone only over there, so we gotta cross the bridge over here. These faces are of pure disappointment right now. What do you mean thumbs up? Thumbs down. So I think we're about to leave.
Yeah.
No luck today, honestly. It is what it is. My rod is just tangled up, and I'm just too tired to, not even tired, just my mental state is not the happiest right now. I mean, it was fun today, but.
Hey, at least you got your first hookup though. You know?
I know, I wish I held the fish. Oh man, what a day. Absolutely exhausted, honestly. Well, we're on our way home now. We just stopped at the gas station to grab something to eat, some snacks. I got myself a cookie, 7-day croissant, and a whole bag of chips. The sea salt ones, poppables. Those are fire, if you never had them. About to wait for Mirza while he's inside. I'm gonna eat my cookie. Just made it back, dropping Mirza off.
What's up, you guys?
Until next time, I guess.
Until next time. We ain't catch anybody. You had a hookup.
That's
That's all
alright.
that mattered.
It's alright. Next time, I'm gonna get them all. Bro,
Shit, my bad.
take care, bro. You got one, a big one.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, bro. Yeah. What's going on? I'm back. This is the next day, actually. I was editing the video last night and I just fell asleep, so I got it caught all the way up. I was missing the end piece. I never recorded it last night, and I was just, yeah. But now I'm recording the outro. If you made it this far, I really appreciate all you guys for watching. And if you're more interested in these kind of videos and fishing and outdoor stuff, let me know down below. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.